My name's Ryan Domenico, I live in Queenstown, New Zealand. I'm an avid hiker and award-winning photographer. Being a full-time photographer allows me to travel the world, where I've managed to capture some really special moments. But more importantly, I'm a father and husband. To me, family always comes first. One of the biggest joys in life is to do the things that you love with the people that matter the most. And that is why healthy aging has become a priority. Aging is something we all have in common, and everyone has a different attitude towards getting older. Many are concerned with the body's external aging. Myself, I'm more concerned with what's going on inside and how it's going to impact my life later. One of my biggest concerns as I age is not being able to spend quality time with my kids. Not being physically able to go hiking with them, camping with them, spend time in the outdoors with them, and share all the things that we're passionate about. Through my research into healthy aging, I came across SRW, a New Zealand company that empowers people to age better. They're working to understand and address aging at a cellular level, and I've learned that the cells are where aging begins. The ingredients they use in their supplements are backed by science, and everything they do is driven by the latest research. I was really impressed with the scientists they work with. These guys are absolute experts in their field, and it gives me confidence in SRW. I lead an incredibly fast-paced lifestyle, balancing hiking, time in the outdoors with my family and work. I'm always on the go, running around, keeping up with clients, traveling, going up against the elements, out and about in the harsh sun, the freezing cold. I've been concerned about the effects this lifestyle will have on my long-term health. I recently introduced SRW supplements into my work and family life. I know that I'm doing everything I can to support my cells, not just for today, but for the rest of my life, being the best version of me.